giving back and being here and your about this whole platform. It would be great to hear from you.
Okay. We've been a part of NGO India since right from the beginning, as an associate, as a partner, the thinking through about what it should include, what it shouldn't include, and all of that. And it's really a delight to see the event grow from year to year. Like this year, the NGOs have also put up a better show in their stalls. Our team worked very hard to give them tips about what to communicate. So we would look at presentations from UBM and customize it to the NGO setup, and then work with the NGOs on making sure that they put up a good show. One of the key things about NGO India is that every organization here, you can see they sport badges like this and this transparency badge. They have gone through a set of due diligence, so we have 10 criteria. We look at their financials, we look at their profile, we see if there are any audit remarks, that are of concern. We talk to the auditor, to the NGO, get clarifications, and only those who have satisfied that objective set of criteria, they come on a first come first served basis. For us, that UBM has honored and given us that space is very important, because we understand the subject, we understand the sector, and we want to be very fair and objective about due diligence, and UBM has given us that space to do it. So every little, whether an NGO is small or big, it didn't matter. What they were doing did not matter. Where they came from did not matter. It was completely, if you're an organization doing good work and you are transparent and accountable to the public, on a first come first serve basis, you have come to this exhibition. And the idea was that when people come and meet, the next step is, what do we do with this organization? And if you want to do something with this organization, then you need to be able to have the confidence that they are ready to partner. Not that then, you've liked somebody's work, then you go back and say, hey, their books are not in order. We don't want that. So for us, it's a great win-win. Our team enjoys doing this, and we put in several months of effort, and it's in fit with our mission. What GuideStar tries to do is, as a leading provider of NGO information, for us NGO information is not an end in itself. We want that information to enable giving. We want people to make informed giving decisions, and that will improve philanthropy in the country. And this is one of the big steps towards that, because connections don't just happen in the online world, which is our forte. We want people to see face to face, because the layer of trust gets significantly enhanced when people meet and have conversations. So we're very happy to be part of this.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. And I'm so looking forward, and UBM is looking forward to, another next year again at NGO India. We'll be back and working together. Thank you so much.